Suzanne, as we're traveling along the Indiana state line, we've seen some blinking stoplights, some power outages in some areas where you can tell that the street lights aren't working. Some of those areas seem like they're still working to restore power. We just passed a bunch of ComEd utility trucks that were staged in one area. And as you can see where we're approaching right now, the rain has stopped just a little bit, but we are going up towards Chicago, still a ways away. But I'm assuming we are going to start seeing some of those storms that are moving into the Chicago area that Mary Kay just mentioned. Just hit a dry pocket where we are out in the county here, just outside of Momens, again, near the Indiana state line. And I want to show you video we got of the Kankakee River. We'll give you a good visual of what we're up against as far as flooding is concerned. This is a part of the Kankakee River that's along Dixie Highway near Momens, and you can see still a bit under the bridge, but here you'll see the sidewalks were flooded. High water levels on the Kankakee River just this morning as we were driving through. Some flooding in some areas, but nothing too problematic. Could become an issue if there are more downpours throughout today and tomorrow, which we are expecting that. Also saw a lot of road closures as we were making our way through the far south suburbs. And this is in LaPorte, Indiana, video we got yesterday. And you can see down trees causing a lot of these road closures as crews are still trying to make their way around, get this debris cleared. A lot of leaning power lines, a lot of down power lines because of these massive trees that have come down, and the ground is still very saturated after days and days of rain. So it is possible if winds pick up, we could see more damage throughout tonight and tomorrow. Looks like we are going to get a bit of a break today, though, as far as the rain is concerned, and that will help people who are still cleaning up. You can see roof damage on a lot of these shots that we're showing you, very similar to what we're seeing out here this morning. A lot of tarps up on roofs, and we're seeing utility crews staged in this area all throughout southern parts of Cook County and closer into Indiana. Suzanne, we're still driving around this morning, keeping an eye on road conditions. No major issues so far out on the roads, but we know storms are still moving in, and we'll have updates coming up in about another half hour.